To generate lead within PIC ERP for retail, we'll go to the Leads tab. Leads can be generated mainly two ways. First, we can click on the Add button on the bottom right of the screen to fill out the information like first name, last name, mobile phone. You have the ability to ask the customer if they would like to receive text messages, which can be turned on or off. Secondly, PIC ERP has a large list of API to send and receive data from within the application, so the leads can be populated using API from external marketing apps, CRMs, and online forms from your website. Once you have added those information required to generate the lead, you can just come to the bottom right here and click OK, and then it will generate the new lead for you. Now, you might do this on the first call interaction or the second call interaction, but if you want to continue to add information about that lead, you can just click on that lead, come to the same form, and you can continue to add information like email, addresses. Once you have added the address, you have the ability to verify the address by clicking the button here. And once you click here, the plugin using the UPS and FedEx will verify those addresses. You can click the verify address so that it will pre-fill the original address data, or you can manually override it. Just in case if it is a new neighborhood and the address cannot be verified using online systems, then you can manually override that as well. Next, you have the ability to add the source for your lead. So for example, local campaign, marketing source, and so on. You can click on the marketing source and it will bring out a list of several options for you. I'll just click one. You have the ability to select an existing customer if they referred you this lead. You have the ability to select a real estate agent, for example, so that you can send them a thank you Visa card. It becomes important to understand where your sources are coming from so that you can continue to allocate your marketing capital to those sources. Next, we'll look at tasks. Depending on the state of the lead, the tasks are being automatically created within the application, as well as you have the ability to create manually as well on what the next steps should be for this lead to turn into a customer. You can continue to gather additional information about that lead, for example, qualification questions. And these qualifications questions are going to be custom to your business. We will pre-fill these during the implementation with the questions that you normally gather for your specific business. These fields can be checkboxes. It could be a drop-down of multiple selection. It could be a free-form text. If the customer mentions that they have tall windows, then adding a comment of bringing a ladder could be an additional information you want to gather about that lead. Once all the information about your leads are complete, you can then click on OK. Then it will create that new lead for you. Next, we will look at how do we create a project for that lead and then set up an appointment.